Una good morning good afternoon, great time una take dey No be small thing story. By the way, all people don finish for Nigeria. People don finish for Nigeria no do, Davido don leave Nigeria. This one wey Davido go dey carry im boys one by one so. Hey! Una know the latest man wey enter America. Na be Israel. Israel don reach America Davido, wetin dey happen? You no wan come Nigeria again? Dis one wey you just dey carry your boys one by one. That mean say Nigeria, you no dey come back to Nigeria again. Because how many of your boys come remain now? E be like say dem no even reach 3 even say we remain. Dis one na Israel say make we thank Davido for everything Davido don carry am enter America He don be visa holder. One thing I wan talk say, as Israel say make we thank you Davido, thank you God bless you, where you for bring this money come out, wey you take help Israel, e no go ever lack. They say sea no dey dry, money no go ever finish for your pocket. Your business go dey go on, dey go on. No be only Israel, all your boys wey you carry, as you take do am, money wey you take do am, e no go ever lack. Na Whiskey come dey talk say Davido dey give poor people visa. Davido help dem no better pass. We never hear am say how many of your boys wey you carry go America wey you dey, abi na UK wey you dey. Whiskey sometimes just I no know, me I no talk wetin I no suppose to talk. Person wey help person no be help am. If e say e help poor people, no be wetin God say make we dey help people wey no get. Whiskey, may I give una the video, may I still give una the write-up wey Whiskey write. May I give una the video. Una see wetin Israel dey thank all people. I'm so very happy. I'm so very happy for Israel. I'm so very happy for am. Say Davido don help am now.
I'm now an American visa holder.
Israel come dey say we come dey thank Davido. See wetin Whiskey write. Those Nigeria people now, they must carry if you like na 10 years time you take write this thing, they must carry am come out. They must carry am come out, na be their trouble. See abeg Whiskey, if you not talk that thing, na help dem dey help. Make you still help. If you say you carry 10 boys come out, everybody go thank you. Everybody go thank you. Make we show the food wey Churchy give am He don enter America. Wey Israel dey airport. Na dem say you go answer question. Even carry Ghana must go join am. Just this is Israel self. I don't know wetin I wan tell you. He say carry Ghana must go. Na dem go pick am for airport na Davido even go carry am for airport. No be small thing Israel don enter abroad. We go hear am. E dey show wey the flight dey move comot for Nigeria. You go say Nigeria bye. Who Nigeria help? Who Nigeria help Israel? God I really happy for am. This one na airport wey Davido wan come pick am for airport. Israel, you no go take life to finish us. Na because of this your goodness, with your you dey good to Davido, the way you take dey respect Davido, na make Davido still help you so. I'm so very happy. He say see food wey Churchy give am no be small food. No be small food, egusi with pounded yam. But true no talk Israel, why you no even mold that food before you even show am? Me I leave una for here oh. May God bless una. My new subscribers, my old subscribers, may God bless una. I bet una continue to dey subscribe for me oh. Na bye.